Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel as Gheta. Hope you all are doing well and you are preparing for your board exam. The exams are very close now. Today is 14, right? So around 16 days to go for your exams. Hope you are preparing it. Just I'm going to discuss a triangle question which is very important. Let's see a triangle ABD. Okay, in that BC is to CD is 1 is to 4 and C is a point on BD. Okay, one triangle ABD is there and D is a point. C is a point on BD. Okay, and the triangle ABC becomes equilateral triangle. So if I draw the figure like this, okay, here is A, here is B, and here is D, right? So now C is a point on BD. If I take here point, 1 minute, okay. C, this is D, right? And C is a point on D. If I take the point, yes, C is a point on D, and I will join this AC. As you know, in proof that we need 21 AC square, so AC has to be the side, right? And see, this is according to the figure, right? This is the figure, and they say that ABC is a equilateral triangle. So if it is equilateral triangle, all the sides are same. So what is given? Triangle ABD, and in that C is a point on BD, and triangle ABC is equilateral. Okay. So if it is equilateral triangle, all the sides will be same. So I will write A, and this is A, right? Equilateral triangle will be in all sides will be same. But see, this is the figure now. What is there to do? Square is there. See, if any question is containing in square, then it has to be done with the Pythagoras theorem, correct? So there is no we don't have any right angle triangle. We need to do it. Okay, construction. Draw AE perpendicular to BC. So this is AE which is perpendicular. Okay. Okay, understood. So now what we will do? Now we have to go for and see if it is equilateral triangle. If it is equilateral triangle and you are drawing one altitude, that is AE perpendicular, then it bisect the sides, remember. So BE will become half of that and EC will be half of that. Okay, A by 2, A by 2. Okay, you can take X also, so it will become X by 2 if you take all the sides X like that. So now what I will do, I want like AD square. So I want AD square. So I need to apply a Pythagoras theorem to triangle AED only, because you need AD square, isn't it? Okay, AC square, however, will get it, right? But we will apply to triangle AED. Is it clear, everybody? So for that AD, okay, if I apply, say in triangle AED, right? In triangle what? AED. Just a minute, yeah. In triangle AED. So if you apply a Pythagoras theorem in this, if you apply a Pythagoras theorem, you will get AD square is equal, as you know, angle E is 90 degree in triangle AED. So AD square is equal to, you will get AE square plus ED square. Okay, so AD square as it is, we don't know anything about that. AE square also, see, but AE square you can, however, you can get it. If I do in triangle AEC, in triangle AEC, from this I can find out AE. So AC square is equal to AE square plus EC square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is A square, A square we don't have, EC is A by 2, right? Whole square. So this is A square plus A square by 4, as A by 2 whole square is there. Isn't it? Understood? It's a very important question for 4 mark, remember. Now what we will get? Now what? We just transpose that. We will just transpose this. So if I transpose A square by 4 other side, I will get AE square is equal to A square minus A square by 4. Take LCM. 4 is the LCM, okay, into 4 and into 1. 4A square minus A square. We'll get here, this is AE square. If I transpose this, okay, however we need AE, right? So why to transpose, why to cross multiply? A square is equal to 3A square by 4. This will keep. Okay. So now say this is that. Just a minute. Now see AD square, okay? A square, what value you got? You know, just now we have found AE, right? Just now we have found AE. AE square is equal to 3A square by 4 it is, right? So in the place of AE square you can write 3A square by 4. And ED is ED. ED contains EC plus CD, right? So EC is how much? A by 2. And CD is how much? CD. Do you know CD is how much? But we don't know CD, right? But they have given one ratio if you read the question. So you can see that here BC by CD is equals to 1 by 4 if you see this ratio. Okay, so B, I just cross this, so I will get CD is equal to 4 BC. CD is equal to BC is C. BC is the whole side, which is nothing but A. 4A I can write. So this is 4A, and this will come whole square. ED, okay, it is ED. So AD square is equal to 3A square by 4. Here I need to apply A plus B whole square. So this is your A square. This is your B square. And if I apply here plus 2 A B, isn't it? So now AD square is equal to 3A square by 4 plus A square by 4, 16A square, and this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, will get plus 4A square. I can add this 16 plus 4. What will become? So AD square is equal to, here I can take LCM, or later on everything will take together. So 3A square by 4, A square by 4, 20A square, right? Now we'll go for an LCM. What is the LCM? The LCM is 4 into 1 into 1 and into 4. 3a square plus a square plus 80a square. All are like terms, so we can add 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 80, how much? 84 a square by 4. Cancellation, 4 ones are, 4 twos are, 4 ones are. What we got? AD square is equal to 21 a square. So a square is nothing but what? A particular side only, right? So which side they have asked in to prove? Which side they asked, that side we should write down. Let us see which side they said to write. 21 AC square. So see, AC is nothing but A itself, right? So we can write 21 AC square. Hope you all got it, right? 21 AC square. This is it. Construction is needed because square comes, then you need to go for it, Pythagoras theorem. Without that, it's not possible only. Hope you all understood. If you have any other doubts, just give in comment. We will definitely come back with the solution of those. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone.